So today, I'm going to do some real evil shit in the kitchen. I'm going to make some cereal. Yeah, you heard me. So, I have a bowl. Where the fuck is my cereal? God damn it. Move some shit around. There's my cereal. The fascinating thing about this is that what I've done is I've combined Weetabix with, what's that shit called? Bran flakes with the fruit shit in it. And I mixed them all up. Man, this is wild. So, I'm going to pour some of that into the bowl. Whoa. Don't go crazy. You want to be careful here. And I'll be back in a minute. Welcome back. This bit, you got to be careful. So I've geared up, I'm covered in leather. Actually, I need to probably seal this a little bit, because this bit involves pouring the milk. So I'm going to do that. Be careful, people. Alright. God damn it, I've used all the milk. Okay, I've poured the milk. Let's give it 5 minutes. Alright. Let's see how that turned out. Whew. We're going to need a spoon. So let's give this a go. Just mix that up a little bit. You can add sugar if you want to. I don't find that it's necessary. So let's give that a whirl. That's not great. I'll be honest. Let's just remove that. And turned out perfectly. Look at that. You can do that. Bye.